Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Hannah Tiger. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome. If you are a subscriber or you continue to visit from time to time, thanks so much for coming again. A friend of mine asked me to alterate 6 bibs for her. All I was expected to do was just to cut out only a few inches of the length, and that is it. So after the cutting process, I had scraps left, 6 scraps. I pondered for a couple of minutes what to make with the scraps. Should I make coasters? Should I make table mats? But eventually I ended up with the idea of making a bag where the bibs can be kept. The fabric of the bib is a non-fray fabric, and the lining as well is non-fray, so I've used a shearing scissors to cut this, and it doesn't need any overlocking or any extra stitching. So what I did was to start working on the scraps. So the first stage will be to place 2 pieces facing each other, right side facing right side, and stitch across using sewing machine, and another piece, 2 pieces. I'll repeat the same process, right side facing right side, and I will stitch across. So here I'm just stitching together. So here I have the first set done. So the 2 piece is now 1 piece, as you can see. So once both of them were stick together, I had 2 pieces. And what I'll do next is to place them again, right side facing right side. Like I said before, this was an emergency DIY. So no measurement needed, no inches, no measuring. So once I placed them on top of each other, I stitched all the way round, all the way with the opening up there. But before I went ahead to do that, I made sure I matched that. That's where the strap is gonna be. I wasn't really bothered about the bottom part of the bag, so I just stitched across. Then I flipped the bag over to the right side. As you can see there, I was not overlocking or doing nothing to it. I was just stitching. And that's the good thing about the shearing scissors. So, and if the fabric is a non-fray one, it's even better. At this point, I just thought, oh, I have extra piece that I could have used for the pocket, and that could have beautified the bag more than this, but it was too late. I couldn't be bothered on stitching and starting all over, so I moved on to the next stage. So I went ahead and cut 2 straps for the bag. Like I said, there were no measurements. I just went with the flow, but I made sure the 2 straps were of the same length, and I removed the lining from it. Then I started attaching the straps one by one. this is the end result. Very easy and straightforward. And here's the back, and I could easily place all the beeps. My friend was super shocked when she found out I made a bag. Instead of just altering the beeps, she got more than she bargained for. If you know how to make use of a sewing machine, like a basic straight sewing, you can do this. Anyone can do this. It's a straightforward DIY. You don't have to be an expert. To put this together was very easy. And come on, you can have anything you want. You can make anything you want. You know, look at this. At this point, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed every bit of it. If you haven't subscribed, guys, make sure you subscribe. Press that notification bell to notify you anytime I post a new video. Like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself, and bye for now.